Okay, the first thing that we'll talk about for this module is iTunes U, sometimes referred to as iTunes University. Now, iTunes U is part of the iTunes Store, and you can access iTunes U through the free app that's available on the App Store. So you can just go out to the App Store, search for iTunes U or iTunes University, and just download the app. Now, the app can be downloaded onto your laptop or your desktop, as well as your phone or your iPad. What is contained within iTunes U? It's more than 300,000 different types of educational audio and video files that come from universities all over the world, museums, and public media organizations as well. So there is literally thousands upon thousands of pieces of audio and video files that you can use and pull into your particular course. So the biggest benefit of that is that if you would like to hear from a leading expert from Harvard about a particular topic, and they have that content on iTunes U, you can pull it into your course for free. So you can use it. So it's like having a guest speaker without all the hassle of getting the travel arrangements made and all that kind of stuff. Now, we'll take a look at iTunes U. There are some very interesting pieces. They have some nice categories out there, so I'll kind of walk through that in a minute. I'd also like to touch upon Course Manager. And the Course Manager is part of iTunes U, and basically what it lets you do is build the content that you can then distribute through iTunes U. Now, the content that's in iTunes U is often referred to as a course. So I have an iTunes U course. Now, this might just be it might be for a workshop that you have, it might be for an after-school program or a club, or it could be for a course that you're actually teaching for credit. So the Course Manager lets you put all of that content into one place. Within the Course Manager, it will let you grade assignments. I don't want to say that it's a learning management system because Apple didn't design it that way initially. I often wish they would go a few steps further with it because it really has been a very easy to use app. A lot of people like compiling their information within iTunes U and delivering it that way. It's a great content delivery method. And you could use it in conjunction with your Canvas course. There's nothing wrong with doing that. Some faculty have used iTunes U in the past to almost create the like a digital workbook or resource book that accompanies their Canvas course, and they can link to it from the LMS, from Canvas in our case, and they can use it that way. The students can download the content onto their iPad and that type of thing. So we'll take a look at both of these features today, iTunes U and Course Manager, and see how they function, see what the benefits are, and then you'll be able to explore them a little bit on your own and determine if there's anything out there that would work for you. Maybe you learned something new about iTunes U that you hadn't known before. So we'll go ahead and get started, and I'll show you a little bit of iTunes U and Course Manager.